Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'll show you how to automatically comment during TikTok Live using a powerful automation tool. First, open the software and go to the account management section. Here, you can add multiple TikTok accounts and attach proxies to each one. Using proxies ensures that every account uses a different IP address for safety. Next, go to the Live Interaction or Live Commenting module of the tool. Paste the link of the TikTok Live you want to target or search by username. Now prepare your comments, one comment per line. The software will rotate comments automatically, making each look organic. You can also set the interval between comments, like every 30 to 60 seconds. This helps mimic human behavior and reduces the risk of being flagged. After that, choose the accounts you want to use and hit start. The tool will open a secure browser for each account and begin commenting. Each comment is sent live in real time, helping boost engagement on the stream. If the live is long, you can schedule longer sessions or rotate accounts. This is great for promoting affiliate links, increasing social proof, or pushing viral content. Once you're done, review the logs to track which accounts commented successfully. And that's it. Auto-commenting on TikTok Live has never been easier. If you want access to this tool, check the link in the description or contact me on Telegram or WhatsApp. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the bell so you won't miss future tutorials.